welcome to the video. So right now I'm just gonna give a quick background. So basically what happened is I went to Iloilo to attend my best friend's wedding, and for 3 days, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I went home on Sunday night. So when I transferred all of my videos to my computer and then tried to scroll and tried to scan the videos, I noticed there was no audio. So I thought it was only like 3 videos, but I realized it's all of my videos. So when I was vlogging the whole time in Iloilo, it didn't record any audio. So it was like really a bummer. And I was really stressed out. I didn't know what to do. I wish I could just go back in time and do everything right. So since I don't have a time machine, I can't do that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna narrate the video and try to fill in the blanks. And I hope I can do really a good job. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get into it. So guys, I just woke up in this part, and now my sister drove me to the port, and it was really traffic. I was late, so I was in a hurry. I thought the boat was gonna leave me, so it's a good thing I catch a boat. So it took me around an hour to get to Iloilo, and Joash's sister texted me that we should meet. So when I arrived, I tried to look for her on the port, and then well, this is my first time narrating, so bear with me, guys. So in this part, I was looking for her and still looking for her. So I was just looking for her around the port. I thought she was there. And in this part, I was really confused because I don't know where's the exit or where to ride the taxi, because I don't know the jeepney routes in Iloilo, like in Bacolod. Like I mastered every jeepney route in Bacolod. So in Iloilo, it's quite different. So I have to rely on taxi. So there, I was choosing the taxi. So just keep walking around, and then I met this guy, and then this guy came up. So by the way, the driver and I, we just talked along during the trip. He was a really cool guy, and we just talked. He asked me where I'm from and what I'm doing here in Iloilo, and tells me the political climate in Iloilo City. I don't know why, but he was really fun to talk to. And at the end, he gave me his phone number and his contact details, because he knows that I'm not from Iloilo, so maybe I need some ride or anything. So he was a really nice guy. So Joa's sister texted me that we're going to meet at this place. I forgot the name of the place, but it was really nice. So it took me like 30 minutes from port to the destination. I forgot the name, guys. Maybe I'll look it up later. So it was a chance to see the city. So I have a lot of friends from Iloilo, but they always brag about how great Iloilo is, how beautiful it is. Like it's the new queen city of the south here in the Philippines. So they weren't lying. Iloilo was a really nice place. So it's really nice. They have this place called the Esplanade, where it's beside the river. And they have this place called I think it was called Mega World. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, I think it's Mega World. So it's a really nice place, really great place if you like to eat, take a picture for your Instagram. It's a really Instagrammable place because they have this European like structures, and they painted this really bright what do you call this, pastel colors, I think. I don't know. Yeah, Iloilo is such a great city if you like to go eat, post pictures for your Instagram, like so that it will be like a new destination or something. Yeah, Iloilo is really great. So I wonder, now I see that, now I realize that my friends from Iloilo keep bragging when they go to Bacolod. Yeah, Iloilo is this place, Iloilo is this place. So now I see. Sometimes you have to see it to believe it. So really, Iloilo is way ahead of Bacolod. So Bacolod is just like normal town, normal city here in the Negros. So I didn't. I was in this part. I got. He brought me. I think this is Ayala. Yeah, I think it's Ayala. And he dropped me off here. I think it cost me around 150 pesos. Not 20, I think. So I said goodbye, and right now I'm just looking for the place where I'm going to meet Joash's sister, Nang Valerie. So in this part, I have to ask the security guard, where is this place, this specific restaurant, because I have to meet her. And then a couple of minutes later, I was still roaming around, and then I ran into her. There she is, guys. So that's Nang Valerie, Jo's sister. So she was having lunch with an old friend from college, and they were eating lunch somewhere. I think it was a Italian restaurant. So we just chatted and we talked about the wedding and stuff. And she asked me how. And this part, they were surprised that I was vlogging. So I introduced them. So in this part, I was vlogging that. Wow, it's very meta. So in this part, I was telling them that I'm gonna put their Instagram link down below so that people can follow them. So by the way, guys, if you're watching this, please follow them. I have their Instagram link down below. So they were laughing, and then they were really caught off guard because they didn't know I was vlogging. So in this part, we were trying to get a cab because we are going to the place, going to the condo that we'll be staying for the night, for 2 nights, by the way. So Ricini, I keep mispronouncing her name. She has a class, I think, so that's why she didn't went with us when we went to. Couldn't stay longer. She couldn't stick with us longer, so she has to part ways. And right now we're on our way to the condo. So I tried to talk to the driver, try to make small talks. So and I'm trying to get the seatbelt on, and to my surprise, it was very near. But it was only like a 3-minute drive. We could walk. So guys, this is the condo we've been staying at. So they rented out this Airbnb place. This is the lobby. I forgot the name of the place. I think it was something like Avenues. I don't know. So we are on our way to our room. I think we were staying at the 14th or 15th floor. So we're waiting for the elevator. And come on, elevator. And this is our room, guys. Ta-da! So it's a very nice room with a queen size bed. And yeah, I turned on the lights. Took a quick tour. That's the kitchen. They have a small sink. At first, I thought it was a hotel. I thought it was a hotel, but then I realized hotels don't have kitchen and refrigerator and microwave. So that's when I realized that this wasn't a hotel, because the place was so new that there weren't a lot of people. So it was a condo. By the way, this is the view. They have like a small lake, or I don't know, like a reservoir, and then some gas station. I tried to open the window, by the way. There you go. So the traffic is kind of heavy in Iloilo, and I was in this part. I forgot. I like the gasoline station and the houses. I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know what I'm pointing at. So the view is really amazing. And yeah, I think that's in this part I was talking about the view. So we just rested for a couple of hours and we're headed off to SM. I think it was around 6 o'clock. And by the way, guys, that's Joash's mom and dad. Joash's dad is a pastor at our former pastor at our church. He's still a pastor, by the way. He transferred church to Metanoia Evangelical Church, and her mom is a public school teacher. So we're waiting for the elevator, waiting for the others, and we're waiting for the cab again. There, I was in this part. I remembered. I forgot to bring. I was telling the video on the camera that I forgot to bring a jacket. It was really cold at night, so I was just wearing some polo and shorts. Whew. Well, narrating is really tiresome. So guys, right now we are on our way to SM. There you go. The traffic is really worse. That's what I don't like about Iloilo. That's the one thing I don't like about Iloilo is the traffic. Sometimes it's really nice, like this one, where the roads are clear, and there's are times where like it's really slow moving. So I think this is this is Mega World. This is the place where we eat dinner. And by the way, this is really a funny part. And wait, I have to. Yeah, because there's someone got into an accident in this part. So there was a motorcycle. This is not the funny part, by the way. There's a motorcycle and I think a car. So they crashed together. I think the guy was alive. I hope so. So before the accident, I was trying to take a selfie, and then there was this girl who's trying to walk right behind me, really close. So about the girl who was walking behind me really close. So I thought she was gonna take my phone or something. So I panicked. I really jerked really hard, like trying to move fast. So it was really embarrassing. We just looked at each other, very awkward. Because she was like, I don't know, she was really close behind me. I think because here in the Philippines, I'm not trying to say like it's a bad thing. Like there are lots of snatchers and pickpocketers and thieves. So I thought she was gonna take my phone. So I forgot, and then after that, I told my friend. She told me that in Iloilo City, the crime rate is really low, and there's not that lots of thieves and snatchers and pickpocketers in the city. So I was, because in Bacolod, I don't know about the crime rate, but there's still people who try to take your stuff. It's a good thing I didn't caught in camera. It was really embarrassing. So this is Mega World, I think. Mega World, yeah, this is probably Mega World. So people from Iloilo, if someone is from Iloilo watching this, please forgive me. I'm not quite familiar with your city yet. So we went to this cafe. It's called the Barking Cafe, where they have all these kinds of cute dogs just roaming around. So I'm trying to get a close picture with one of the Siberian Husky. He's so cute. So they have the Samoyed. They have Samoyed, Siberian Husky. I think that's the only two breeds they have. And by the way, their hair is really soft, softer than mine. So I don't know what kind of shampoo, probably a special dog shampoo. So the dogs were really cute and really nice and very playful. And then when they poop, there's like a caretaker who just takes their poop and scrub some Lysol on it. Yeah, like that doggy. I think he's trying to find a place to pee. It's a really fun place. I didn't try their coffee. I think the coffee. My friend told me that the coffee is really mediocre. And what's the selling point of this place is the dogs. And I heard that there are other breeds that they bring to the store. So this is a really popular place in Iloilo. So if ever you're in Iloilo, guys, try to visit this place. It's called Barking Cafe, and try to take a selfie with a dog. So they're just there roaming around, playing with the customers, and that one is really behaved. So after that, we just left Barking Cafe and we tried to find a place to eat dinner. So yeah, we're riding the escalator, and I think this is a brand new mall because I think this is a new mall here in Iloilo. So there's not that plenty of people. So we met Joash and we ate dinner at Gilligan's. So I ate a lot of food. I was really hungry. I didn't eat lunch, and then we went to the supermarket because we have to buy some food for breakfast and some toothpaste, some toilet paper, noodles, milk, something that we can eat at our condo, at the place we're staying. So they don't have food, so don't have a kitchen, so we're just trying to buy some stuff. And that's Josh's mom, Tita Daday. Okay, guys, in this part, just to give you like context of everything, before and during the wedding, Josh is sick, like with a high fever. So he was really tired. He just wanted to rest for his big day. So he was stressed out because of all the wedding preparations and stuff. If the flowers and the food and the guests, if everything is ready. So and during that night, I overheard Josh and his mom. Now, if he wants to push through the wedding, without hesitation, he said yes. And these are all just challenges that they can overcome. So in this video, that's what I've been talking about, trying to explain. So the audio is gone. Josh, Kirsty, God bless you in your marriage. If you're watching this, I think I'll end the video here. So I'll see you tomorrow on the wedding. So thank you for watching, guys. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, add me on Facebook, because I don't have that many friends on Facebook. So again, thanks for watching, and I apologize for this inconvenience. So bye, guys. See you on the next one. Peace.